Hey everyone! For almost 10 years, Nikon fans, wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and creators have been asking the same big question. When is Nikon finally going to replace the legendary D500? Many loyal users got tired of waiting and even switched to other brands. But now, everything is about to change in a massive way. Fresh leaks and insider reports suggest Nikon is preparing something huge, the Nikon Z90, already being called the Mini Z9. This isn't just another APS-C camera. It could be a true game-changer that shakes up both the high-end crop sensor market and even challenges some full-frame cameras. If you're thinking about dropping big money on a premium camera this year, you might want to wait and watch this. Why the Nikon Z90 is generating massive buzz. Nikon is going all in with this one. According to leaks, the Z90 is built to deliver flagship-level performance in a smaller, more affordable DX body. The star of the show, 33 MP stacked sensor. This is a huge leap for APS-C. A fully stacked sensor means almost zero rolling shutter distortion. No more weird jello effect when shooting fast action. Birds in flight, racing cars, or athletes will look sharp and natural. Insane speed. Paired with the powerful EXPEED processor, same as the flagship Z9. Rumors point to an unbelievable 120 frames per second burst shooting. That's pro sports camera territory, now in a much smaller and lighter body. Blackout-free viewfinder. No more losing your subject between shots. You stay locked in the entire time, which means way more keeper shots during unpredictable wildlife or sports moments. Next level autofocus. A deep learning AI autofocus system trained on millions of images. Expect super reliable eye and subject tracking. Perfect for birds flying through trees, fast athletes, or moving vehicles. Cinema-grade video. Thanks to Nikon's RED acquisition, the Z90 might bring internal 6K REDCODE RAW recording. Plus, oversampled 4K and 4K 120 slow motion. This could make it a dream hybrid camera for both photographers and filmmakers. Real-world advantages for wildlife and sports shooters. The 1.5x crop factor gives you extra reach with telephoto lenses. A 300mm lens feels like 450mm. Combined with 33MP, you get excellent cropping flexibility without losing quality. Built tough. Magnesium alloy body with pro-level weather sealing. Ready for rainforests, deserts, mountains, or dusty Indian wildlife sanctuaries. The price shock. Here's what might surprise everyone. Rumors suggest it could launch around $2,000. That's incredibly aggressive for this level of performance. Suddenly, spending $5,000 to $6,000 on a full-frame body might not make sense for many shooters. Who is this for? Wildlife photographers in India and Africa. Sports shooters in the UK and US. Hybrid creators who want both stills and high-end video. The Nikon Z90 could finally give serious enthusiasts and semi-pros the camera they've been dreaming about. Flagship power without the flagship price. If these leaks are true, Nikon isn't just replacing the D500. They're raising the bar for everyone else.